Hi, it's Noah and Mark.
Noah and Mark gonna fly Tiger. Here we go.
Yeah, I can't wait.
All right, back down, look down the hill a little bit. Now we're gonna walk up to the glider just a little bit, and now run. Turn and run. That's it. Good for you. Good smile. Hold that camera right. Hold that camera. There you go. You good?
Oh my God.
All right, hold on a second now. I'm gonna get myself situated. Hold on. And now pass that camera off to the left side. Go ahead. Lean back. Get your arms under here and push in. All right? And hands down low. And push in like you're pushing into a seat. Into your femurs are all the way in. Push into the seat.
Oh, like that.
All right, you're good, right?
Whoa, oh my God.
All right, retake the camera for a few moments.
Yep, I got it.
Okay,
Oh my Jesus.
we're in, we're good. That's
Wow.
it, we're going up. We're good. Kind of cool. I'm looking around for traffic. We're good, we're doing a circle here. That's where we started from. You see over there?
Yep.
See the glider launching?
Yes, I do.
Good deal. Exciting?
Yeah, this is amazing.
Worth the
Wow.
price of admission?
Yeah, definitely, especially on a discount.
All right.
Oh
There
my
we
God.
go. Woo! Good deal. Noah!
Yeah.
All right.
This is great. Man, it is windy up here.
Uh-huh.
It's like beautiful too. I love the whole Seattle foresting, and it looks amazing from up ahead, like straight up ahead, straight up from above. I mean.
Good. Let's do a U-turn to the left, Noah. Look left and lean left. Nice job. He's flying it. Great job. Yeah, we won't fly at any trees or mountains, okay? How's that?
Best idea.
There's trees everywhere. Love you, Mom! All right.
Not as scary as I thought it'd be. Definitely not as scary.
Uh-huh.
Real fun though.
All right, you're straight on. You're doing well. Good for you. Good. We're going to speed this thing up. And we're kind of ready to take a couple of good steps. Here comes the speed up. Now there's the speed up. That's what we want. That's what we want. Take a seat. Run, run, run. Good job. Yeah, baby. All right. Good time?
Yeah.
All right. Thank you, Mom.
Yep.
You love your mother?
I love you, Mom.
There you go.